right. They are hard at work here, getting the cement walkway finalized. And I'm out of breath because I've been loading in groceries and laundry and doing what you do. So again, we are finishing up repaving the walkway from the front of Rasas all the way to the back to our new apartments so that we can present a nice, fresh, unified mini community. And let's take a walk. Once it's all done, then we have to get it all cleaned up again and refreshed, and then figure out how we're going to furnish this little patio area to make it even more welcoming for our guests. So we've got a lot of work to do still, but not so much now. Feels good. See you soon.